I live in a rental property and I recently planted some vegetable seeds in our garden bed. After I weeded the garden bed, the next day I noticed footprints in it that looked suspiciously like Randy's. I'm sure that given enough time, Randy would decide to dig a hole, so I needed to do something before this happens. I remembered that I saw some bird netting in the shed, so all I needed to do was put in some supports to hold up the netting. I recently started working at an electrical wholesale company, and there is a pile of broken conduit that is free for the taking, so I did just that. I plan on putting a vertical pipe halfway along the bed and have it support horizontal spans either side. It's winter time over here at the moment and it seems to rain every other day, so digging a hole for the vertical pipe is quite easy. I'm using a bit of paracord here to work out exactly how high the pipe needs to be and then cut it to length accordingly. Once the vertical pipe is in place, I temporarily tie up the horizontal pipes and line up where I need to drill a hole in the vertical pipe to slide the horizontal pipe into. I think my battery is almost flat while drilling this first hole as it keeps stopping. I managed to get the first hole drilled, and then after a battery change the second hole drills much quicker. So far my plan is working as expected. Next step is to cut this horizontal pipe to size and then repeat the same steps on the other side. The seeds I decided to plant here are wombok, lettuce, beetroot, onions and shallots. I'm going to drill a screw into the horizontal pipes to stop them from sliding out of the vertical pipe. This will let me easily remove the horizontal pipes to work in the garden bed when required. Of course, it was only a matter of time before I dropped something down the hole. Luckily, I didn't make it too deep. So that's the basic frame I need. All that remains is to throw some bird netting over and I'm done. Not so fast though. I have another idea that I want to try. I want to turn the vertical pipe into a vertical herb garden with pipes sticking out at angles. However, as I attempted this, I realised the circular saw wasn't deep enough to accommodate the amount of pipe I need to drill. I managed to hack my way through it and kind of made the hole, however it didn't turn out very good and I don't want to repeat this process multiple times. Sometimes though, that's how life is. Your ideas don't turn out the way you think they will. What is important, however, is trying, and you don't know if you don't try. Okay, so with that out of the way, it's time to fill the hole back in so the pipe is sturdy. I'm putting some dirt in the bottom of the pipe first, then using some spare bark chips in the middle section, and then topping up with the remaining dirt. The next step is to remove the paracord I was using as a sightline. I'll put the horizontal pipes back inside the vertical pipe and put the screws in the ends to hold them in. Finally, I'll use some paracord to tie the ends of the pipes to the side fences and I'm almost done. The last thing to do is throw the bird netting over the top and secure it down. Luckily, there's a few spare bricks lying around and some rocks too. This should be enough of a deterrent to keep Randy out of the garden bed and the birds as well. After a quick watering, I'm happy with the end result. Only time will tell exactly how effective it is. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you're doing well wherever you are. Until next time, bye!